Hello and welcome back to the introduction of computer science. And in this particular video, we will continue looking at the knowledge areas of computer science. So we will continue from where we stopped. We did talk about some areas of computer science, like computer systems, software, and also programming and modeling languages. We will continue here with talking about the internet, which is a connection of a number of items or equipment in such a way that people can use information. For example, many of you know this as the web, and with the Internet of Things, it simply means how things are connected, which can be things in your houses or the offices, and the cameras, the CCTVs, and all kinds of things that are possible today. And that's what we mean by Internet of Things. And another area is the embedded systems, which is something, for example, to do with cars, also phones, and many other aspects like your GPS, your cameras, robots, your washing machines, the trains. But basically what this is about is a combination of hardware, software, and what we call firmware, which is something between hardware and software. And it's also a new field, or relatively new field. It's been for a while, but not too long. And it's also an interesting one, and that has given rise to other areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning, where there are really intelligent way of using data and storing and mining, or working on data to get things that are automated in a way that we can do things easily. Now, artificial intelligence is really the new field in vogue, and you see a lot of people doing a lot of things concerning data and how you can use it in many ways. For example, in database management, in data mining, in automation, even in automotives industry, and in semiconductors. So you will see this coming more and more and more in AI, as we call it. So other areas are graphic design and web design, or video editing, where you can find the use of computer science, and also multimedia, which is a combination of videos, graphics, images, and all kinds of animation. And there are different kinds of softwares or applications out there that you can use for doing that. Information system, which will be the second big part of this course, which is really covering a whole lot, like database management systems and all kinds of computer-based related systems, which we will look at. And you see how information is also modeled in such a way that you can process information at different levels of organizations, which is something we will dig more into. And many of you know about web design. You've seen internet sites that you go, like Google, and also if you want to shop. These are different areas of computer science. And graphic designs, like in logos and web designs, he also uses graphic designs for that. And there are other areas as well, like mathematics, statistics. I mean, you can name them, bioinformatics, so many of them that you can apply computer science to. And this is just to mention a few. And you can research a lot more on this and find out several more areas where computer science is widely used. And this also connects to the job areas we told you earlier about: communications, information, technology, and the rest. And this shows you the versatility of computer science. And based on this, we come to the end of the part of this course, which is the computer science part. And in the modules to come later, we will go into information systems, and we will not be really skipping computer science, but we'll be talking about computer related stuff in information systems, because No matter which area of computer science you talk about, information system, which is part of it, connects to that. So they may be listed differently here, but they are interwoven in such a way that you can do without both of them. And for further reading, you can look at online, search, go to Google or something, just search something like basics of computer science or computer systems or components of a computer, or use as many words as you want to use from the slides. One way I find documents is also by putting PDFs at my search, and I can actually get actual documents from some link which I can read or download instead of just reading the site. And with this, we come to the end of this particular video and the end of Module 1. Thank you, and see you in the next video.